that decision. But which one should you buy? In today's video, we're going to check out the best GoPro camera in 2022. Number 4. GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is no longer very easy to find. For instance, GoPro doesn't sell it directly anymore, but you can find it occasionally for around $200. Don't buy it if it's more than that, unless it comes with a ton of bundled accessories, because while it's a capable camera, the newer models offer a lot more. Still, if you can find one for a bargain price and don't want to spend more, there's a lot to like about the Hero 7 Black. This was the first of GoPro's action cameras to include the ability to record 4K video at 60x. Like earlier models, it's waterproof to 33 feet, has a rear 2-inch color touchscreen LCD, and voice control. Number 3. GoPro MAX. While not the best GoPro camera overall, the GoPro MAX does have a major point of difference from the others, namely its ability to shoot 360-degree video. Unlike most 360 cameras, the GoPro Hero Max has a small display on its back that lets you view what its cameras are looking at. We didn't find it quite as handy as we'd expected, but the large display does make it easy to navigate and change the Max's settings without having to use your smartphone. The GoPro Hero Max also has a hypersmooth stabilization feature, so your bumpy video will look nice and smooth, and image quality from the camera, up to a max resolution of 5.6K/30fps, lives up to GoPro's typical high standards. Plus, GoPro's app is loaded with features, including the ability to livestream video from the Mac. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. While the outside hasn't changed from the Hero 9 Black, the GoPro Hero 10 Black sports a new and improved processor on the inside, which translates to video recording as high as 5.3K/60fps, as well as 2K video at 240fps and 4K video at 120fps. On top of that, it has a larger 23MP image sensor and manages to shave off a tiny bit of weight. What's most impressive is the Hero 10's upgraded image stabilization. In our testing, we found that the camera can be tilted by as much as 45 degrees while still smoothing things out. However, this puts a serious dent on battery life, which is unchanged from the Hero 9. But you can use the same battery, as well as the same accessories as before.